Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, you are going to see about function. This is a very important topic in every programming language. Function is used when you want to redo certain block of code at a specific point in your program. For example, consider you need to find your prime numbers and then print it out. After a few steps, you will have to repeat the same task of finding the prime numbers. What do you do? Are you going to write the same code for two times? If you did that, remember this is a waste of time and storage on coding. So, never do that. In that situation, we use the function. Now I am going to do an addition operation using a function. In Python, def keyword is used to define the function. When def keyword is read by interpreter, it understands that the following code is a function, followed by any name. I like to use input, but I could not use it because input is a keyword in Python. Keep in mind that you cannot use a keyword as a method name. So I'm going to use the add of colon. When you click enter, this create an indentation. This implies that the block of code start from here. I'm going to get input from a user. A is equal to int of input of open quotes, enter the value, then B equal to int of input of enter the value, then it's time to add, enter C is equal to A plus B, then print of C. Now come out of that indentation that indicate that the block of code ends here. Now I'm going to call the function using a method name add_off. Now save the program, run the file. Now it asking a input. Enter 3 and 4. It prints 7. Function parameters. You can call method with the arguments. See here. Def add of a comma b colon. Here you're receiving a value. Now it's time to process it. C is equal to a plus b. Enter print of C. Now call the add function add of 4 comma 5. Here you need to know two things called arguments and parameters. You want to send some value through the function to the called function. That value is known as argument. In the called function, first we need to store the value for a further process. For that, we use a variable. That variable is known as parameters. Now save the file and run the program. You see the output as 9. The function not only processes the input but also gives some value to the called function. See here, def of add of a comma b colon C is equal to a plus b return of C. Now come out of that indentation and add of 5 comma 5. Calling this function will give some value. So why not print this statement and check it out? Run this file. You get the output as 10. If so, the function returns some value. What if I did not mention any value? Erase that C. Now save this file and run the program again. You get the output as none. It print none because all functions have a default return value That is known as none. So why it print none? That's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I'm Kirtana. If you want to see more video like this, then subscribe my channel. If you find this video is useful, then give me a big thumbs up.